Hello everybody, this is MIM and we're planting tomatoes.
Yay, so let me show that. So it looks like a Roma tomato. Oops, well, hold on. It looks like a Roma tomato. And see, this is container variety. On the green beans, it did not say container variety. So let's see if it works out. Maybe it's meant to go on the ground. But anyways, back to the tomatoes. So we filled the pot back up with potting soil mix. Now we're gonna put the tomato seeds in. Open it so you can show us what it looks like.
We've never seen tomato seeds, have we?
I haven't seen like any seeds. This is exciting for me.
In the green bean seeds, they look like actual
beans. We're new to this, so everything's exciting
if
for
there's
us.
any planters out there, help us.
Yes, please leave comments, tips. Let's see. Come here so I can show it. Okay, don't drop it. Hold on, let me zoom back out. Wow, I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting that. That's so cool.
There's a bunch of them.
Okay, well, make sure you spread them out carefully and evenly in the soil.
So let's look at them.
Hold on, let it focus. That is, oops. It's not focusing. It's okay, come on.
Oh, they're not pouring.
Make sure they all come out.
Yep.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay, I didn't really see anything, but okay, so now...
Little baby seeds.
Now we're gonna fill the dirt up to where? Show them where? More soil.
This line.
To that line. And
Or
then,
backwards dent.
and then we'll be right back.
I filled it up with soil to the backwards dent or line. And now,
Now
we're
what are you
just
gonna do?
gonna put water on it.
Okay. Remember to slowly pour it, okay?
Okay. I like how it looks like an earthquake. Like the water seeps under. Goes everywhere. And is the water coming out?
It will. There's a crack. Remember we put like holes or cracks and everything?
Yeah, we put holes, but I accidentally put cracks.
Is that it? That's all the water?
Yeah? Oh, it's coming down really slow.
It's okay. That's fine. Okay, so this is the tomato plant. Please like and subscribe, leave comments, and follow our journey into gardening.
And remember to follow Saida's Kitchen. That is Laquisha's channel.
Thank you. Alrighty, we'll be back later with an update, maybe like in a week.